Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today I'm showing you a pretty cool 72 K10. It is a real short box, RPO sticker in the glove box, matches the VIN, 115 inch, so real short box 4x4. The only thing they did different is they added a new style box. So original grill surround, not perfect, but I'd rather have one of them than Chinese one that doesn't fit. And that bumper could be original because it's showing a little wear. Repaint on it's just good driver quality, a little orange peel in it, and a few little dust nibs. I tell you exactly how it is. You'll get exactly what I say you're gonna get. This is a nice truck, runs awesome, FiTech fuel injection, 350 turbo automatic. So great driving truck, and you got the fuel injection. There's a couple little before they painted it, and there's a fresh one. You know, you're gonna get that from them bigger tires. This does have the chrome in the windshield weather strip. So that all looks good. That's original, I would say. That's probably new. Original door handles, because a little pitting, but that's good. There's your original sticker, VIN sticker. Seat, I would say, has been done. This truck isn't its original color and its original interior color. So not a lot of trucks stay green, but this one does. There's your FiTech fuel injection controller. New style radio in it, new style steering wheel, original column. Door panels are original. You can see a little rub on it, but I love originality. These are an aftermarket thing you can add. Shuts nice. They did a bed liner in the box, which is a nice touch. Like I said, this is a new style box off of the 90s, off the Shortbox 90. These are fiberglass. This is metal, this is fiberglass. So, but very nice shape. Like I said, good looking truck with the olive and the white. Of course, an aftermarket bumper on it. Like I said, not many flaws, one here and there. Scratch up on top, but this is one you can go out, and it's affordable. This isn't a $250,000 truck. It's under 40 grand. So, I mean, for a short box four-wheel drive, you just don't get any cheaper than that. And for the quality of this is a great buy at the money, by all means. So, got the seat belts in it. They put floor mats in it. There's your RPO tag. Owner's manual, this FiTech owner's manual. So looks like they put a new glove box liner in it. So doors shut super. Just a nice built truck for a driver quality vehicle. I don't think you'll be disappointed at this. All starts good, runs good. You can see a little flaw in the paint right there, but like I said, not a perfect truck. Nice enough to show in a smaller show, especially because it's got the look to it, and definitely great for your go get a cup of coffee or stop down and have a cold one. So really cool truck, real short box four-wheel drive, and priced right. We're going to start up our 72 K10 FiTech fuel injection. There you can hear the radio will come on here in a second. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Temp gauge working, battery gauge working, oil pressure. Fan not working. These all move. So let's see what that is. Horn works. Light works, and wipers work. So we'll check the lights. Runs like a watch. Headlights. Aluminum intake, FiTech fuel injection. This is regular exhaust, but dual exhaust. Nice pickup. Sounds good. There's your tail lights. our pump test. Nice solid truck. Really nice pickup. Does got a new style box on it instead of the regular short box, but it is a real short box. I suppose they just couldn't find a decent box, so you see a lot of these new style fiberglass put on these trucks just because it's an easy solution, and they look good. A lot of people liked them in the 90s, so I didn't hear the radio in the background. Good running and driving truck. We drove it probably around 20 miles, so run strong. You can see temp gauge coming up down there. Interior is very nice, no issues. Seat's been done. Dash is good. So this is a nice affordable short box. It isn't one of them. I've seen some lately that yes, they're fuel injected, but they're bringing 100 plus, where this is nice and affordable, under 50,000. Maybe you want to keep the box, or maybe you want to find a fleet side or a step side factory one. First to second, second to third. So great running truck. If you're looking for a short box, and this color is a good looking green. So any questions? 605-6